Om Purnat Purnam Mudachyati Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate Īśāvāsvam idam sarvam yat kiñcat jagatyam jagat tena tattena bhunjitha madvidha kasasi dhanam kurvannevaha karmani yujīviseṭṭhataṃ samaha evaṃ tayi nānnati tusti nakanmadhipati hari asuryanāmano nena tamasabritaha tāṃsi pratyāvigachanti jīke chātma hanojana jabiyo naina deva apnuvan purvamasat tadhyavatanyannatiti tishtantasminnapo maturishya dadati tat hantike tat antarasya sarvasya tadu sarvasya bhayyata jastu sarvāni bhūtān nātmannevanupassati sarvabhūtīṣu chātmānam tato na bijugupsate jasmin sarvāni bhūtān nātmamevabhūt bijanata tatra ko moha kah soka etattam manupassata. Again from the beginning. Om Purnamidam Purnat Purnam Mudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate Īśāvāsvam idam sarvam yat kiñcat jagatyam jagat tena tattena bhunjitha madvidha kasasi dhanam kurvaneva karmani jijīviseṭṭhataṃ samaha evaṃ tayi nānnati tosti nakanmadhipati nara asurjyānāmati loka andhena tamasābritaha tāṃsi pratyāvigachanti jīke chātma hanojana anejadekam manaso javiyo naina deva apnuvan purvamarsat tadhyavata annanateti tishtat tasmin napo maturisham rati tannayjati taddure tad antike tad antarasya sarvasya tadu sarvasyasya bhayyata utan atmannevanupassati sarvabhūtīṣu chātmānam tato na bijugupsate jasmin sarvāni bhūtān nātmamevabhūt bijanataha tatra ko moha ka soka etattam manupassataha. Thank you. Apapa vidyam. This is most important part of this verse. No sin can pollute Krishna. There is nothing sinful for Krishna. How it is? The example is given generally, just like the sun. There is no contamination for the sun. there is no possibility of the sun being contaminated or the sun being dark. This is a material thing. So how Kṛṣṇa, the Supreme Lord, he can be contaminated by any kind of sinful action? God is good. There cannot be any sinful action. Sometimes less intelligent class of men, they criticize Kṛṣṇa. Why Kṛṣṇa did it? Yes, Kṛṣṇa is God. He can do anything, whatever he likes. Your laws cannot restrict Kṛṣṇa. For you there may be so many restrictive laws, but for Kṛṣṇa there is no restrictive law. He can surpass all restrictive regulation. This question was put to Parikshit Maharaj after Ras Leela. The Kṛṣṇa came to establish the principles of moral and religious life, how he enjoyed the company of so many young girls who were not, they were wives of other persons. So, how it is so? The answer was given that Kṛṣṇa cannot be contaminated. Rather, anything comes to Kṛṣṇa, even with contaminated mind, becomes purified. The same example, the sun cannot be contaminated. But anything contaminated, if you put into the sunshine, it becomes purified. So, you approach Kṛṣṇa with any desire, Akāmaḥ sarva-kāmo. The gopīs, of course, that is not this material thing. Still, as young girls, they were captivated by the beauty of Kṛṣṇa. So, they approach Kṛṣṇa with a view to accept him as paramour. But actually, they became purified. So, somewhere or other, if we can develop our Krishna consciousness, then immediately we become purified. That is the process. Kṛṣṇa gives chance to everyone. Just like Kaṁsa. Kaṁsa was thinking of Kṛṣṇa. He was also Krishna conscious. Always thinking of Kṛṣṇa. Oh, how shall I find out Kṛṣṇa? I shall kill him. That was his business. That is the asuric mentality. Āśritāḥ bhāvam. But he also became purified. He got salvation. The same example again. Somehow or other, if you come to the sunlight, you become purified and you get warmth. Not that sun become contaminated by you. No, that is not possible. Sun is so powerful that even you are contaminated, you cannot contaminate the sun. Tejya sangna dosaya. When one is very powerful, there is no contamination. Therefore here it is said, apāpa vidyam suddhyam, all is purified, Kṛṣṇa. This is also explained in the Bhagavad Gita when Arjuna accepted Kṛṣṇa. Param dhama pavitram paramam bhavan. You are the supreme pure. Pavitram param, the same thing is here. The Vedic literature is not contradictory. Whatever you will find in Brahma Samhita, the same thing you will find in Ishopanishad, the same thing you will find in Bhagavad Gita, the same thing you will find in other Vedic literature. It is our misunderstanding that we sometimes cannot understand. Otherwise, it is always the same truth spoken everywhere. Thank you. Please. Okay. Okay. सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी प्रभुपाद की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णववृंद की जय, नामाचार्य श्रील हरिदास ठाकुर की जय। प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद की जय। श्री श्री राधा कृष्ण गो गोपीनाथ श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड गिरिजोधन की जय, वृंदावन धाम की जय, नवद्वीप धाम की जय, लॉस एंजल्स टेम्पल की जय, समवेत भक्तवृंद की जय। All glories to the assembled devotees. All glories to the assembled devotees. All glories to the assembled devotees. Thank you very much.